Today I'm taking with the Oshine miter shear. So we got our shear and we actually got an extra blade. So that's something that you do not normally get with a shear. And so we got our angles well labeled on there. So those are actually deeply etched in. So those aren't going to be able to just wear out. And that has a detent mechanism built into it so that we can get that exact angle that we want just by aligning those pins. So very nice design there. Yeah, really like that. We do have a stop on the bottom, so we just give it a squeeze. We can push that out of the way and we can open that guy up. As you can see, we got quite a bit of range on that. So I got some shims. Let's go ahead and put this in here and we'll give ourselves a 90-degree cut. Oh, that cuts extremely well. That is not exactly 90 degrees. So let's see if I can get that. Probably just because I had that in a weird spot. There we go. Yeah, that is awesome. So let's give ourselves a 45 degree. Yeah. I was able to cut through all that material in one pass. And these are fairly heavy duty shims as well. And if we check that against our gauge, we can see we got a perfect 90 there. And we got a perfect 45 there. So yeah, they got a very nice grip on there. They feel super heavy duty. They got a very nice blade. Really love this mechanism. Those are some excellent miter shears.